After discovering a fault in a recently purchased clothing item, you returned it to the store. However, the assistant refused to replace or refund it, citing store policy. Write a complaint letter to the store manager. Dear Store Manager, I am writing to express my disappointment and frustration with the service I received at your store, Fashion Forward, located at 1234 Broadway, New York. On February 20, 2023, I purchased a women's sweater, style #WW1234, size medium, from your store, but unfortunately, I discovered a fault with the item after wearing it only once. The sweater had a noticeable hole in the sleeve, which I believe is a manufacturing defect. On February 25, 2023, I returned to the store, bringing the faulty sweater with me, and requested a replacement or a full refund. However, the sales assistant, Ms. Johnson, refused to assist me, citing the store's policy that all sales are final and that no refunds or exchanges are allowed after 14 days. I was surprised and disappointed by this response, as I had only worn the sweater once and had returned it to the store within a reasonable timeframe. I believe that it is reasonable to expect a store to stand behind the quality of its products and to provide a satisfactory resolution when a fault is discovered. I would appreciate it if you could look into this matter and take steps to resolve the issue. I would like to request a full refund for the faulty sweater or a replacement with a new, identical item. Please find below the details of my purchase. Date of purchase: February 20, 2023. Item purchased: women's sweater, style #WW1234, size medium. Price paid: $49.99. Receipt number: number 001234. I hope that you will take my complaint seriously and take prompt action to resolve the issue. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Sincerely, Emily Lee.